Thank you, Chai. Hello, Des. Hello, Princess. Ayan, linis lang tayo. Pinalitan na yung tubig eh. Kaya lang, open kasi siya. Kailangan talaga ng every morning nalilinis. Ano lang naman, mga grass lang naman siya. Saka, sila lang naman yan eh. Ang init ngayon, guys. What are you doing? Take that off. Don't do that. Put that in your thingy. What thingy? Whew. What are you doing? Are you done? Go get you're too hot. Go in there. You're too hot there.
No, Jay.
Okay.
It's
Oh, there's the tree. Look, the tree is covering it. There's no tree covering that thing. See, that's tree. That's why you're not hot there. Hello, Maricar. Hello. Back to home na. Paggoda sa biyahe. Ngayon, walang katapusan trabaho tapos eto, no? Bata. Non-stop ng trabaho, guys. Where you going? You have to go on the thingy. You have to go there. Really? Okay, you can drive now, Jade. Bye. Is that her turn? Oh, oh. No, no, don't take it off. No, there's a lot of bugs, anak. That's where. Are you gonna go in town? She wanna take it off.
Did you take it off? She has a t-shirt on.
What if there's a bug, anak?
Okay.
But your belly is showing now.
Yeah, right now.
Oh wow.
At least your belly's nice.
Wow, that's not nice. You're in the video.
You're not like that. That has a big belly.
Johnny, be ready. Listen, mommy.
Wow. So when is our blacktop, you think?
Daddy, where that over it on?
Put your pants up. Your pants. Up, up, up. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. Why there's a dirt in your... Is that a dirt in her... Or is that an awi?
We have to touch it.
This one? Let me fix it.
Wait, let me see. I want to see it. Where did you keep it?
Her lips, on top of her lips. Show daddy.
Can I look?
It's right here. Alright, hang on.
Oh, you should try that one, Jelana. That thingy. Can you? Yeah. Okay, do it. That can you... did you teach her how to do this one? You have